Duta Bina Bhuana School held an international open day and community market, highlighting culture, creativity, innovation, and the future of education at its campus near Bali's fast-growing tourism hub of Canggu. Chairwoman DBB Foundation, Luh Ratna Sukasari, said the event reflected the school's vision of building an intercultural learning community that prepares young people for a rapidly changing world through purpose-driven education, entrepreneurship, digital skills, and global connections. The school also promotes English language learning alongside dance and cultural education from an early age.
To introduce the DBB Foundation that has been in Dalung since 1997 to the local and international community. This foundation is actually in the space of 80 area land. We have elementary school and also kindergarten and daycare as well. We also will have vocational classes in the DBB Foundation, and we will also have our new program, which is digitization. We are hoping to uplift the urban community like Canggu and Dalung, and to take this to international stage as well. So we welcome local and expat to come to this center.
Ambassador Gareth Benson said the school, established in 1997, has continued to make progress in the education sector. He noted that the institution has integrated digital learning into its curriculum while benefiting from its strategic location near Canggu, where the tourism industry has been expanding rapidly.
The DBB Open Day, and we're here to support the DBB Foundation, which was actually established in 1997. We've heard from Sari that we are actually building on the legacy of her mother, Professor Ratna, who founded this place in 1997, with a solid plan forward for the future. Basically, we want to see this as a centre of future-focused learning, where people can learn from east to west, where international students can learn about the Balinese culture and identity, and it can be celebrated on a world stage.
DBB Ambassador Rose Banksia encouraged parents to consider the school for their children's education, citing programs ranging from daycare and playgroup to kindergarten and elementary school.
I'm very grateful to have been invited to be the ambassador for the DBB school. It's an international school here in Bali that is all about enhancing the education of the local children, predominantly the Indonesian children.
The event featured student exhibitions and creative arts showcases, digital storytelling and media projects, music performances and cultural exchanges, young entrepreneur market stalls, sports and family activities, healthy food, and community networking sessions that allowed visitors to meet teachers, students, and global partners.